Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Najo Legends here. Today, we will talk about patch update at the market in Rohan 2, May 29, 2026. Unique Enhanced and Combined Package in Rohan 2. The Unique Enhancement and Combining Package is a special package available in Rohan 2. Global Truth The Shop Next Market. It is designed for players who want faster equipment, enhancement, and combination upgrades. Package details. Unique Enhancement and Combining Package $30. Contents: Brilliant Unique Enhancement Stone times 10, Brilliant Unique Combination Stone times 3, Emblem Enhancement Stone times 1000. What these items do: Brilliant Unique Enhancement Stone used to enhance level 120 equipment which protection against enhancement penalties. Brilliant Unique Combination Stone used for equipment combination upgrades on high-level gear. Emblem Enhancement Stone used to improve and strengthen your emblems for additional character's power. This package is ideal for players focusing on level 120 gear, progression, stronger equipment stats, and late-game character upgrades in Rohan 2 Global. Brilliant Skill Package in Rohan 2. The Brilliant Skill Package in Rohan 2 Global is a specially upgrade package designed for players who want to improve their skills and character progression. Package contents. Typical item may include Ancient Skill Enhancement Stones, Skill Upgrade Materials, Enhancement Resources, Bonus Progression Items for strengthening character skills. Purpose of the package: upgrade and enhance character skills, increase combat effectiveness, support faster late game progression. Useful PvP, farming, and PvP builds. Who is it for? The Brilliant Skill Package is recommended for players focusing on stronger skill damage, faster character growth, high-level content progression, optimizing endgame builds in Rohan 2. Ancient Emblem Package Rohan 2. The Ancient Emblem Package is a special package in Rohan 2 Global focus on emblem upgrades and character progression. It is available for a limited time in the shop Next Market. Package details. Ancient Emblem Package. Price: 15 million crowns. Content: Chaos Emblem Enhancement Stone chest times 50, Ancient Skill Enhancement Stone times 1. What these items do: Chaos Emblem Enhancement Stone chest used for enhancing and strengthening emblems to improve your character's stat and overall power. Ancient Skill Enhancement Stone used to upgrade advanced character skills, helping boost combat performance and progression. Brilliant Emblem Package 1 in Rohan 2. The Brilliant Emblem Package 1 is a special upgrade package in Rohan 2 Global designed for emblem enhancement and gear progression. Package details. Brilliant Emblem Package 1, price 1,500 Sapphire o Sapphire. Chaos Emblem Enhancement Stone chest times 50, Brilliant Superior Enhancement Stone times 1. What these items do: Chaos Emblem Enhancement Stone chest used to enhance emblems, increasing your character's stats and overall combat power. Brilliant Superior Enhancement Stone used for high-level equipment, enhancement helping improve stronger gear upgrades. Brilliant Emblem Package 2 in Rohan 2. The Brilliant Emblem Package 2 is a premium package in Rohan 2 global focus on emblem enhancement and advanced character progression. Package details. Brilliant Emblem Package 2 price 3,000 Sapphire. Chaos Emblem Enhancement Stone Chest times 100. Brilliant Superior Enhancement Stone times 2. Item uses. Chaos Emblem Enhancement Stone Chest used to strengthen and upgrade emblems, increasing your character's combat stats and overall power. Brilliant Superior Enhancement Stone used for high-level equipment enhancement, helping players upgrade stronger gear more efficiently. Availability. Released as part of a special Rohan 2 update package sale, usually available for limited time. Purchase periods and may include weekly purchase limits depending on the event update. This package is ideal for players aiming for stronger emblems, better gear enhancement, and faster late-game progression in Rohan 2 Global. Rohan's Treasure Chest. Rohan 2. Rohan's Treasure Chest is a special reward item in Rohan 2 Global that can be obtained from selected packages, events, and promotional sales. It contains various valuable items used for character progression and upgrades. About Rohan's Treasure Chest. A premium reward chest included in special packages. Possible rewards may include enhancement materials, summon tickets, upgrade resources, character progression items, special event rewards. Rohan Treasure Chest has appeared in packages such as the Spring Ruby package, where players can receive multiple chests as bonus rewards. Why players want it? Extra bonus rewards, useful enhancement materials, support faster character growth, good for gear and upgrade progression. Rohan's Treasure Chest package in Rohan 2. The Rohan's Treasure Chest package is a premium package available in Rohan 2 Global through the Next Market cross-shop. It includes Treasure Chest plus multiple summon rewards. Package details. Rohan's Treasure Chest package price $50. Rohan's Treasure Chest times 15. Dazzling Costume Card, Summon Ticket times 10 times 5. Dazzling Mount Summon Ticket times 10 times 5. Dazzling Mystery Egg times 10 times 5. Rohan's Treasure Chest possible rewards. Opening Rohan's Treasure Chest can give you items such as Emblem Enhancement Stone times 200 to 36%. Unique Enhancement Stone times 100 to 30%. Brilliant Unique Enhancement Stone times 1 to 20%. Level 120 Rare Equipment Boxes times 10 to 6.74%. Brilliant Unique Combination Stone times 1 to 5%. Legendary Costume Mount Mystery Egg Tickets. Brilliant Skill Enhancement Stone. Legendary Skill Upgrade Scroll. Mythical Skill Upgrade Scroll. Ray Drop. Why players buy this package? Equipment enhancement materials, skill upgrade resources, costume amount and pet summons, chance to obtain high value rare items. The package has been featured in Rohan 2 Global Special Shop updates and cross-shop promotions. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. God bless. Nodule Legends is out.